3. श्लोक नंबर 21. काय रूप संयमात तद्ग्राह शक्ति स्तंभे चक्षु प्रकाशा संप्रयोगे अंतर्ध्यानम. By making samyama on the form of the body, the perceptibility of the form being obstructed and the power of manifestation in the eye being separated, the yogi's body become unseen. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. A yogi standing in the midst of this room can apparently vanish. He doesn't really vanish, but he will not be seen by anyone. The form and the body are, as it were, separated. You must remember that this can only be done when the yogi has attained to that power of concentration, when form and the thing formed have been separated. Then he makes a samyama on that, and the power of to perceive forms is obstructed, because the power of perceiving forms comes from the junction of form and the thing formed. Part 3. श्लोक नंबर 22. एतेन शब्दाद्यंत दान muktam. By this the disappearance or concealment of words which are being spoken and such other things are also explained. Part 3, 23. श्लोक नंबर. सोपक्रमं निरूपक्रमं च कर्म तत्संयमात् परांत ज्ञानमरिष्टेभ्यो वा. Karma is of two kinds, soon to be fructified and late to be fructified. By making samyama on these, or by the signs called arishta portents, the yogi know the exact time of separation from their bodies. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. When a yogi makes a samyama on his own karma, upon those impressions in his mind which are now working and those which are just waiting to work, he knows exactly by those that are waiting when his body will fall. He knows when he will die, at what hour, even at what minute. The Hindus think very much of that knowledge or consciousness of the nearness of death, because it is taught in the Gita that the thoughts at the moment of departure are great powers in determining the next life. Shlok number 24. Maitreyadishu Balani. By making samyama on friendship, mercy, etc., the yogi excels in the respective qualities. Shlok number 25. Valeshu Hasti Baladini. By making samyama on the strength of the elephant and others, their respective strength comes to the yogi. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. When a yogi has attained to this samyama and wants strength, he makes a samyama on the strength of the elephant and gets it. Infinite energy is at the disposal of everyone. If he know how to get it, the yogi has discovered the science of getting it.